What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to talk about a brand new house. It's called For the Scent of It. The name of the fragrance that I purchased is called Tobacco Pod. Now, of course, this is not a sponsored content, so before I proceed, I humbly request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. I'm gonna unbox this fragrance. Let's find out what it's all about. This brand, I kept hearing quite a lot about this brand. I'll give you all the details and everything in my full review, but this is only the first impression and unboxing. Never experienced anything from this brand. Let's find out what they have to offer. So, Tobacco Pod, they send a nice thank you letter, card, whatever you call it. And of course, that's a handwritten note. Really love these touches, personalized touches. So I guess there are samples in this one. Let's see what this sent. Comes in a very nice packaging. I mean, there's a bubble wrap, and on the inside, you get this beautiful, nice foil kind of pouch. Very nice touch. Let's see what I got in there. 2 samples. I believe these are 2 ml samples. So the fragrance, oh wow, another pouch. Let's see what's in this one. Great touch, great touch. Let's see what's in there. And wow, that's a 5 sample pack right there. So a total of 7 samples they sent. Very generous of you. And again, this is not a sponsored content. I purchased the fragrance with my money. And the perfumer, the brand, the house, they sent me 7 samples. Hats off to you guys. Hats off. Beautiful touch. Really loving it already. So the fragrance comes in a very nice, plain, but some personalized touches over there, like the brand name and everything, logo. So we are done with the box. Let's see what's inside this main box. So I purchased the 30 ml. Again, this is a blind buy. I did not sample it. So let's see what we have. So inside the box, you get this really nice pouch. Wow, very nice to the touch. And of course, the brand name is their house name, For the Scent of It. Lovely touch. I mean, independent house, but I would say this is like niche presentation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Already loving it. So this is the 30 ml bottle. Kind of reminds you of those Fragrance de Bois or Raja perfume kind of bottles. But man, the glass quality is spot on. No bubbles or anything. It's almost like polished crystal glass. Beautiful. Wow, totally worth the money. So first, let me tell you about the notes in Tobacco Pod. Sorry if I've been saying vanilla pod, I'm sorry. It's Tobacco Pod that I purchased. On the top, you've got some spices. On the mids, you've got Bulgarian Tobacco Absolute. And on the base, you've got vanilla and cedarwood. So the tobacco over here is the main player as per the website. And it's supposed to be dense, rich, opulent. And of course, there's the woody factors. And of course, the other notes that are supposed to be, enhancing this tobacco experience. So let's spray Tobacco Pod on skin and find out what it is and what it smells like. No leakages or anything. Okay, excellent, excellent. Like, the cap is heavy, it's metal. Beautiful. I mean, 30 ml bottle, just look, it's a very cute size, very nice, very convenient. It's easy to carry around. So I'm gonna go directly on skin. Let's see. Let's find out what it is. Okay, nice atomizer. Maybe I just need to buy a backup already. Wow. The tobacco, it's not your typical tobacco. It's rich, has that almost like a honey sticky kind of factor to it. Some sweetness, almost like a honey sweet tobacco. Lovely. It's not sharp, best part. And on the and in the opening, it's not smoky. You know how sometimes when you spray some kind of tobacco fragrance, it comes off very smoky, and it kind of like it hurts in the back of the throat, kind of like that sensation. It's not like that. It's very smooth. And these are eau de parfum concentration, I believe. Wow. Like the tobacco truly shines here. On skin, it's not very loud, but definitely a very classy fragrance. Tobacco pod. A very classy tobacco. I mean, guys, if you have not tried this out, I highly recommend you check them out. I would say it's a very nice, modern, sophisticated fragrance. And the spiciness is not amped up, so it's not like your super hot and spicy kind of stuff. It's not like that. It's very nice, rich, and mild, but yet it has the sophistication about it. Wonderful, wonderful. And the vanilla, I guess the vanilla is balancing out the sharpness of the dense richness of the tobacco. It's getting balanced with the vanilla, and the vanilla kind of feels like more on the creamy side. So of course, as this fragrance dries down, as tobacco pod dries down, I'll get a better understanding of what's going on. But for now, first impression, this is something very enjoyable. This is like really good stuff, guys. First blind buy from the house, and of course I will do separate first impressions of these samples. So altogether 7 samples they sent me as a gift, I believe. Beautiful, lovely creation. So it kind of has this mild earthy, woody earthiness to it, but it's not pronounced, but you do feel it. You get that sensation, just like you would get from dried tobacco leaves, right? Like there's like kind of like a woody, dry kind of vibes to it. There's the stickiness, some kind of sweetness coming through. It's almost like it has that damp yet dry kind of tobacco feeling. Awesome stuff. First blind buy from the house of for the scent of it. Beautiful creation, and of course I will give you my honest opinion once I've done full wearings, but this bottle just like it just won my heart. Beautiful 30 ml bottle, lovely stuff. So guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of For the Scent of It tobacco pod. Do let me know in the comments if you have tried anything from this house. What's your experience? What are your thoughts? For me, this is a win-win house. Tobacco pod, perfect for this time of the year when it's getting cooler already. And of course, I will be doing a full review, so make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.